as you can hear, got here to the Warden's Fire Trail, right off the parking lot, off the road, and damn it, as soon as I got the tent set up, thought I heard a plane, took the headphones off and said, oh, that's thunder. I said, I better jump in the tent real quick. Hopefully it'll just blow right by. Thing is, it's not really supposed to be raining right now, according to the weather report, but I mean, it's coming down like severe thunderstorm. I mean, it's starting to get pretty wet out there. I mean, really wet. And the condensation's raining off the top of the tent down onto me right now. It's pretty steamy in here. Nothing I can really do about it. I'm gonna try and keep wiping stuff for the next hour. Didn't even get a chance to eat. Did get some free ice cream from this one guy. Took a picture of his thing. Had this little sign right off the AT. It said, my ice cream brings all the hikers to the yard. Something like, it's free, there is no charge. Yeah, it's a play on that. So I walked up there, guy gave me an ice cream sandwich. Before that, it was a couple Cokes. Trail magic today, yeah. But yeah, it sucks. We are I'm kaput. Hopefully it stops raining so intensely. But this is where I'm going to be at for the night. Yippee-yay. Well, we knew there'd be days like this. We're out here. 14 miles tomorrow. And I'm going in to the barn and I'm getting cleaned up. Well, the dangerous part of the storm has passed us up. I don't hear any more thunder or lightning, but it was pretty loud there for a while. This is going to be a wet, miserable night. Just a day in the life on the AT. Just to be able to get everything dry tomorrow. You're going to be soaked to the bone. Alright, talk to you guys later.